Zero, yeah. My girl, show ownership. She take position.
Good morning from Jamaica. It's quite early here, around 7 in the morning. I woke up even before 6 in the morning because I always have a jet lag when I'm here. But yeah, just enjoying the morning sun and the view and a little bit of street noise. I've realized that I never mentioned in these videos, these vlogs, why I'm in Jamaica, and it's because I'm a dancer and I love dancehall, and Kingston, Jamaica is the birthplace of dancehall, and I always come here to learn more about the dance and the culture. And I started coming here in 2017, first with friends, and I took a few solo trips, and then I started organizing the group trips. That's what you can see on the videos, but this is a solo trip, so it's going to be different than a group trip. And I'm gonna start from an apartment tour. This is where I stayed, and now you're gonna see the inside. So when you enter, you have the kitchen on the right side. Fridge with a little island. Then straight to the living room. And a balcony with a beautiful view. Come on. See the view. Gorgeous mountains in Kingston. And then this is a studio, so we have a bed here with a closet right there and another gorgeous view. And then we have a bathroom. Hello. And even your own little laundry room area. Yes, that's the apartment. Very modern, very pretty, very fresh. Okay, time to show what to get in the grocery store in Jamaica. So I don't need a lot of things, so I didn't buy like different stuff, but got some eggs, just very basic. Water, of course, not hot water here. Some sour sap tea, Jamaican tea with the flag, the Jamaican flag. This I love so much. Cornmeal porridge. It's so good. It has such a good taste. Great, like, yeah, instead of like oatmeal, I don't really like oatmeal that much. But this in Jamaica, the porridge, love it. So definitely had to stock up on that. Just has such a great taste. My favorite snack ever, forever, the rye plantain chips. I love it. I love that. I was had to stock up on that. Very maybe random. Yeah, and one more. Why not? And now my favorite part, fruits and some veggies. Passion fruits. This is seriously one of my like top 4 or 5 favorite fruits. Passion fruit is one of them. I love it. Then another top 5, yeah, top 3 favorite fruit. Papaya, love it. I love everything. Pineapple, yeah, I love it too. I love just all the fruits. Pineapple, then some bananas, small bananas. I mean, yeah, I like it, but it's just more for like some energy and, you know, kind of a snack. Another papaya. Then some limes to put it in the water. Yeah, mostly for the water actually. Avocado, which they call in Jamaica pear, if I pronounce it correctly. And then, well, what I know as paprika, green paprika, but here they say green pepper and garlic. That's it. I still wanted to get some sour sap and some more fruits, but I guess that will still come. So this is like some basic necessities for like the first breakfast, because mostly here I'm just doing like my own breakfast or maybe some like snacks here and there, and then there are just so much great food options here, just what they call it box food. So lunch, dinner, that's just what I eat mostly out there. I don't know why I filmed it in that way that you can't really see my face, but I wanted to show you and tell you about the taste of papaya. That was the first fruit, and that's passion fruit, what I'm eating right now. And I am obsessed with passion fruit. It has a bit of a sweet but mostly sour taste to it, but really refreshing, really great. And that's what I'm also talking about in that video where you see my mouth moving. And now it's finally time for the first class with active immortals in that beautiful settings. Then I had some food after the class. I was waiting for the food. I looked maybe a bit confused, but I was actually very tired after the class. And on the way back, I got stuck a little bit in the traffic. And then I got to my beautiful, beautiful apartment to rest. Just came back after dance class, sweaty. Gotta take a shower, but just look at this beautiful view. Look at this sunset in Kingston and the beautiful mountains. It's not even 8 in the morning, but it's time to sunbathe. I think I've never purposefully went to sunbathe that early in the morning, but hey, we're in Jamaica, the sun is out. Fully out. The sunrise was much earlier, but I don't know, at the beginning the sun was kind of hiding behind the clouds, but now it's just out. Well, you can't really see it. So it's time to enjoy the sun a little bit before even having breakfast and then before actually going for a dance class. So let's go. It is 8 in the morning and it's time to enjoy the sun and help my body recover after yesterday's dance class. The sun is so strong already that I was able to stay there like 30 minutes, and now I'm back because I'm just too hot and it's time to have some breakfast. I'm about to go for a dance class. I'm kind of tired. But yeah, dancing always makes me feel so much better afterwards. So I know it's gonna be all good, and I guess it's probably the jet lag, and yeah, I haven't been really sleeping well past months or my whole life. So sometimes I guess this tiredness is just coming out, but yeah, excited for a class. I am going to take a class with a dancer called Boise. I was going downstairs to take an Uber, and this is our surrounding. This is where the class took place in the local community. I'm so bad at this, vlogging, filming, documenting, but I'm back after the class, all sweaty, but happy and not even tired yet. I had my food. Yo, I wanted to film the food, but I forgot. I don't know if it looks good, but I mean, half gone. But yeah, gorgeous food, and I was hungry, so I had to eat first. But after that, I'm gonna shower and rest and get ready before next class is tomorrow. Yo, the muscle pain is real. I have such sensitive muscles. Like, I always have so much pain after dance classes or like any physical activity. But dancing in that heat, I think, only multiplies the soreness of the muscles, and I feel it already. I'm even afraid to just wake up tomorrow, because if I feel it now after the class tomorrow, it's gonna be tough. But I mean, the feeling is totally worth it. Not the feeling of muscle soreness, but the feeling after the dance class and just peace. Like, it just really helps me to forget about all the problems and all the issues, and it's a real form of therapy. Good morning, another morning in Jamaica. Today my mission is to get akin saltfish, which is a national Jamaican dish, but it's always sold out. I know that most of the time they serve it for the breakfast, but Sometimes I would go to get ackee and saltfish at 6, 7 in the morning, and they already told me it was sold out. So you just never know. So wish me luck. Mission completed, but I'm all sweaty as if I just had a shower or something, but it's just the mixture of the sun and the humidity and just walking outside, because I know some people would say that maybe it's a bit crazy to walk, but I love walking and I can take a shower afterwards. But I found ackee and saltfish. It looks good. I'm going to show it soon. And I also got a coconut with coconut water inside, which is also amazing. It has such amazing taste and it's so healthy, so I'm happy, but I think I'm gonna have a swim first and then have my ackee and saltfish. I don't know, what was I thinking today when I went for a walk without a sunscreen, because I just realized I burned my nose and like my neckline here and also my arms. I don't know, what was I thinking? I wasn't thinking. So remember to put on a sunscreen when you go out, because it was really, really hot. I'm not surprised, but I just don't know why I didn't put the sunscreen. It was really a blessing that the apartment complex had a swimming pool on the rooftop, because I went there basically every day to help a little bit with my poor muscles, to help them recover, because you could hear me complaining about it, right? And this is already another morning in Jamaica. After a day of a break, it's time for classes today. 2 classes, 2 female classes. I'm about to leave, so come with me. Let's see how much I can show or remember to film. But I will try to film a little bit maybe of the surroundings at least. Previous videos you could see where the class took place, and then after the class we put some moves together and we danced in the rain outside, because it was a rainy season in Jamaica. For the first week it was raining for like an hour or max 2, but it was still hot though, so it was actually pleasant. And then I went to Chicken and Things to get some food. We got here stew beef with veggies. Normally they serve it with rice, but everything here is with rice, and I just don't like rice too much, but beef and veggies, great. It's Friday and it's party time in Kingston. Let's go. Come on, Kingston! Roll on the. You know what's the worst part about being in Jamaica, especially if you travel from another time zone, is this jet lag. I can just never get used to the time zone, or I get kind of used to it at the time when I have to leave. So yesterday I went to sleep probably around like 8 p.m. because I wanted to go to the party, and I set an alarm at midnight. Yeah, midnight. So I slept about 4 hours, got ready, came back home at like 5, almost 6 in the morning, and wanted to sleep. But I don't know, maybe I slept like half an hour, or maybe not even. And I woke up and it's 8 a.m. Can't sleep, but I'm tired, but I can't sleep anymore. That's seriously for me the worst part, because my sleeping is already bad, but yeah, changing time zones makes it worse. Good morning. Beef patty with callaloo. Callaloo is like a spinach kind of Jamaican version, let's say. It's not spinach, but it's similar. It's good. I am after the class with Inspire, and it was very inspiring, especially all the motivational words she shared with me, and very like personal. Yeah, that was great to hear. I changed my top because the other one was all wet. but my face all sweaty, hair messed up. And I'm super hungry. I'm gonna eat some food now. I feel like Jamaicans are the proudest nation ever because they love to put their flag and say that they are Jamaican as much as possible. There are so many Jamaican flags in Jamaica. Just flags randomly hanging in different places, but also on different products. And I mean, I love it. I'm all here for it. Basically, every day or every other day, I went outside to walk, to get some food, and also to explore the area. And some people say different things about walking in Jamaica or being outside by yourself. And I think it really depends on the area. I definitely wouldn't recommend walking when it's dark, but in the safe areas, you can definitely walk during the day, and that's what I've done so many times. I walked in Kingston, mostly in Barbican area, and this time I stayed in New Kingston, and I also walked in a lot of places over there. I think always you should just ask locals if it's okay to walk in certain places, and they know. And I went to Devon House to get some huge ice cream. You know, I might be repeating myself, but the sun is so hot in Jamaica. It was already at like 6, 7 a.m. Now it's 9 a.m. and it's super hot. But I mean, I love it. Not gonna complain. I love me some sun. It's Monday and it's the biggest, let's say, I think we can say that it's the biggest party in Kingston, Uptown Mondays. Ready? Hi, little update. I haven't talked for a couple of days. A couple of days have passed, and I had some rest days because my body felt really tired and I had a lot of muscle pains. So I decided to listen to my body. I'm learning that and have some days off and just enjoy the sun and swim in the swimming pool, eat some good food, fruits, and just taking it easy. I had a class yesterday and today I feel good, but it was my rest day still because tomorrow I'm gonna do 2 classes with my friends, and then on Friday we're gonna do another class. So yeah, it's gonna be busy, and tonight we are going for a party. So yeah, that's gonna be intense. Going to the party, probably not sleeping or sleeping very little. Then I will sleep tomorrow night. And then on Friday we're gonna do another class. Maybe I'm gonna record a dance video, but not sure yet if that's gonna happen. And then there's another party on a Friday, so that's gonna be intense. 2 days, 2.5 days. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do on Saturday. On Sunday I probably will go back to Montego Bay, stay there a night, hopefully go to the beach in the morning, and then on Monday morning, and then on Monday is my flight back to Jamaica, from Jamaica. Yeah, so that's the rough plan for next couple of days. A little update, and I can't get over these views. I am feeling myself in this simple outfit today, going for the class very soon. 2 classes today, wish me luck. Some of my friends happened to be in Jamaica at the same time, so we decided to go outside of Kingston to take some more great classes. And look, you can be a great dancer, but it doesn't mean that you are a great teacher automatically. But Rolex and Rudy are definitely examples of being great dancers, but also great teachers. So we definitely enjoy the classes, although taking 2 classes on one day It was a lot for my body that is still recovering from a lot of health issues. So I had a little breakdown in the second class. And then another day we had a class with Dancehall Bliss. Most parties in Jamaica that I know of start very late. Or maybe they don't start very late, but people arrive late. So it's either around like 1:30-ish, the first party, and then most of the times there's a second party that starts probably around like 3 or 3:30. So it's 3 in the morning and I'm just going for a party that will last probably till 5 or almost 6-ish. I was sleeping for almost 4 hours before the party. And yeah, now I'm good and ready to go. This is the last morning in this beautiful apartment rooftop. I just came to see it for the one last time. One of the last days we went with my friends to Bob Marley's beach. It's a very local, nice vibe on that beach. These are my last moments in Jamaica, in Montego Bay on the beach, and I'm heading to the airport in like a couple of minutes. Just for a little context, so the video from Bob Marley's beach was taken on Saturday, and then on Sunday I went to Montego Bay, and this is where you can find one of the airports in Jamaica, and lots of people go there for their beach and resort kind of holiday. So it's a very, very touristy place, very different than Kingston, for example. But it was nice to just, rest a little bit and be basically 5 minutes away from the airport. So I didn't have to rush, and I could still go in the morning to the beach and be in the sea in the morning for like quite a long time before my flight. And the question I often get is Jamaica safe? And I think anything can happen in any place in the world, and whenever you are anywhere, you just have to have common sense first. And I've been to Jamaica several times by myself. I first came with other people, but then I went several times, and I think especially if you come for dancing, it's a great idea to come with somebody who's been there before, who can show you around and tell you about the unwritten and unspoken rules. But if you have common sense and you listen to locals, you'll be totally fine in Jamaica because it's a great place.